is all them fools could talk about for the last few hours. Seemed like white folk ain't never had a bright idea in their life, was coming up with all kinds of ways to kill your butt. Now, mind you, most of them ideas had to do with messing with your fun parts. Now, they may seem like a good idea, but the truth is, when you snip a Negro's nuts, most of them bleed out in, about 7 minutes, most of them. Well, more than most. Then I says, Spitfires, the Negroes sell to LaQuint Dickey got it worse than that. And they said, let's whip him to death. Or, throw him to the Mandingos, feed him to Stone Cypher's dogs. And I said, what's so special about that? We do that stuff all the time. Hell's bells, the Negroes we sell to LaQuint Dickey got it worse than that. Lo and behold, out of nowhere, Miss Laura come up with the bright idea of giving your butt to the LaQuint Dickey Mining Company. And as a slave of the LaQuint Dickey Mining Company, henceforth until the day you die, all day, every day, you'll be swinging a sledgehammer, turning big rocks into little rocks. Now, when you get there, they're going to take away your name, give you a number, and a sledgehammer and say, get to work. One word of sass, they cut out your tongue. And they good at it too. You won't bleed out. Oh, they does that real good. They're going to work you all day, every day, till your back give out. Then, they're going to hit you in the head with a hammer. Throw your ass down the Negro hole. And that will be the story of you, Django.